In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer to your Google Slides presentation using a video. This can be incredibly helpful for keeping track of time during a talk or ensuring activities stay on schedule. Let's get started on how you can do this simply and effectively. First, open your browser and head over to slides.google.com. Once you're there, find and open the presentation where you'd like to add your timer. You'll want to choose the specific slide where the timer will be most effective. This could be a slide where you're pausing for an activity, discussion, or any other segment where timing is important. Now, with your slide selected, go up to the top toolbar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Video. This will bring up a window that allows you to search for a video online or choose one from your own files. In this case, we're going to search for a countdown timer video. Enter keywords such as countdown timer, or if you have a specific duration in mind, something like 5-minute timer. Alternatively, if you've already found a timer video on YouTube, you can paste the URL directly, or if it's stored on your Google Drive, just select it from there. Once you have the video of your choice, click Select, and it will be inserted into your slide. Now, this is where you can customize it to fit your presentation needs perfectly. You'll be able to adjust the video by clicking and dragging the corners, allowing you to resize it. Place the video wherever it seems most appropriate on the slide, ensuring it's visible but not distracting from other content. For additional customization, right-click on the inserted video and choose Format Options. Here, you'll find several settings to tweak. You can decide how the video plays, so whether it starts on click, plays automatically when you reach the slide, or you decide to play it manually. You also have the option to mute the audio if it's not needed and even set specific start and end times if you want the countdown to start further into the video. Finally, it's essential to test everything out. Switch to present mode to ensure the timer functions as expected during your actual presentation. This is your chance to see how it flows with your slides and to make any necessary adjustments before you present it live. And there you have it, your very own countdown timer embedded directly within your Google Slides presentation. With these steps, you can confidently manage your presentation time and keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you give a more structured and time-aware presentation next time around.